Hello, did you know that this one is a big help po sa akin? Napakaganda nito po because your old problems ito po ay magiging swerte. But super lakas pa to kaysa kay Raho. This one is ilagay po ito sa inyong mga business and this one is ilagay po sa inyong tahanan. Ito po ay infused with energy. So very malakas po ito. Ihang po ito. This is 18K genuine gold plated. This one, as you can see po. Okay? Turn mishap into luck. Mabigat po ito kaya napakaganda. Super ganda nito kasi each symbol, look at that, may mga meaning. Ayan, sa gusto ng forever na pinakamalakas, this one, back to back yan. Yan. Para saan to ito? This one is very special cure, expresses the sentiment or whatever that faces you turns into fortune. So, lahat ng kakaharapin mo, instead of problema, ang problema magiging super swerte. It combats malevolent energy, whether it is visible or invisible. This means that when it is displayed facing a physical poison arrow, so lahat ng ating tahanan at negosyo ay meron pong poison arrow. Such a tree or a sharp edge outside pointing through your windows, through your interior or in a threatening interior objects like window blinds pointing to an important area. It will diminish them all. Also, when it is displayed in sectors or directions where visible malevolent energy is such as afflicted annual flying star number 7. So, every year po, mayroong annual flying star. So, doon mo siya ihang every time na meron pong number 7 every year. So, forever mo na siyang magagamit. Tatanggalin niya yung flying star na number 7. Instead, mag-cause sa'yo ng malas or problema, tatanggalin niya yun. Gawin niyang swerte. This primary piece of the wall hanging has two sides. Two sides yan. Where one has Shigandang, this one, while the other side has 9 lions. This one have 9 lions. Look at that. Ito yung back niya. Okay? And hanging below are 7 dust of water weaves. So that's the blue. Yan, water weaves. With symbols of rhinoceros and elephant. See? Ang elephants and rhinoceros sa weaves. Nakapatong sa weaves. The salient features are the importance of the auspicious symbols can be explained and elaborated as follows. So, as Shigandang is a stronger cure to ward off stronger killing breath. Shigandang can ward off the evil spirits or evil chi from graveyards. Dead chi or dead energy from hospitals. So, maganda ito sa mga nagtatrabaho din sa hospitals or yung sa public. Corpse energy, so pangontra din siya sa ghost month from mortuary and large scaling energy or killing chi inserted. Okay, I will read from larger killing features as compared to the size of your premises. So ito, instead of magdadala siya ng swerte, lilinisin niya lahat ng mga hindi magandang energy, ay yung nakapalibot din sa labas ng iyong bahay at ng iyong negosyo. So ibig sabihin, protektado inside and out, especially yung pasok at labas sa inyong tahanan. It is best used to cast away accidents, ghost, or yung tatawag kaluluwa. So, kung nakatira ka sa mga apartments, or mga, for example, dito sa abroad, mga hindi natin gawa. So, marami na nakatira na dito na sila na hindi natin alam kung ilang years na. Mga black magic, ill energies or yung sakit, and influence of shashi from the surrounding. Shashi is ano po yan? Hindi maganda na mga affliction. Okay, it is said to be able to serve as a powerful protection as well as bringing good fortune. As I said, kung si Raho, i-turn niya into buenas, ito din po siya. Ang nakaganda nito, maganda. Ito po infused with great energy. So, pang forever, pang bahay naman ito kasi hindi mo naman pwede ikwintas to kasi ang laki. And this one is very good talagang nung dumating siya sa akin, malaki siya talagang tulong. Especially, nag-shift ang ating world from the old to new. Hindi nyo ba na medyo ngayon slow. So this was good hanggang year 2020. Pero forever na to kung iyo pong alagaan or itong ingatan. And also gives the following 10 types of blessings. So it suppresses it devils and it protects against disasters happening to the family. So hindi lang ikaw ang bumili, kundi pati yung mga tao na nakatira dyan sa bahay mo. Kaya very good po talaga ito. And also it benefits those in official ranking to protect against competitors and harmful people. So kung tayo nagtitrabaho, ikaw politician or whatsoever po sa larangan na meron ka. And also po sa mga kompetensya sa negosyo, hindi ka po talagang mamalasin, bubuinasin ka pa kung meron kang ganito. This one is like a magic lotion, but this one is turn mishap into good luck. Yung mga kamalasan ba, gawin niyang buenas. And number 4, it ensures the family is healthy. So, bihira ka magkakasakit. Kung magkakasakit, hindi man masyado. And kung healthy enough ka talaga, naku, never ka talaga magkakasakit buong taon. And it blesses one with wealth, luck. Oh, wow, yun na nakaganda pang payaman. It provides cure to the family members who suffer from illnesses. It drives away Sharsi and has the same duties of a bagwa. So, kung malakas ang bagwa sa tingin nyo, mas maganda ito. Okay? Kasi back to back yun, meron lang itong lagayan sa kanyang direction talaga. And also, it prevents accidents. It protects against thief, yung mga nakaw and burglary. It presence is similar to the presence of Folkloksaw. Okay? Folkloksaw or Folkloksaw. Yung 3 deities ng studies, children, wealth, and business. Yan po, and longevity. I will explain talaga sa inyo lahat para ito po ay bakit kayo bibilin to. Kasi ito po ay expensive and it will pwede mo pang maipamana sa iyong mga anak. And this one, katulad po sa aking Magic Lucio, super effective po ang Magic Lucio din. And this one po, ang likod niya is the 9 lions. Ito yung 9 lions niya. Lions is a pack of 9 are in their most powerful form and are associated with military strength and hunting prowess. A powerful symbol of enforcements. They also denote protection for all the 9 directions including the center. Ay, cover niya lahat ng direction sa loob ng iyong tahanan at sa inyong negosyo. And the 7 rhinos, this one, back-to-back din pala ang rhinos niya. And elephant, 7 is the unrivaled number of rhinoceros to remedy and difficult, violent, and forceful situations. So siya po ay nagpo-protect sa inyo para makausad sa mga problema or yung mga nagkukus ng problema na hindi nyo inakala na yun ang magiging sitwasyon. The unparalleled duo is the magnified symbol of protections against robberies, kidnaps, accidents, office politics, competitions, and backstabbing. So, ang dami niyang dala. So, totoo lang, hindi ko naman dapat i-explain. Kasi tasted siya talaga. Imagine nyo na lang ng lahat ng kabalasan turns into buenas. Diba? Unwanted visitors, people who harbor ill intention, yung mga magkukus sa inyo, mag-ill wishes, naku, i-block niya. And also, business competitors and enemies will be kept away. So, hindi niya hahayaan na manalanta sa buhay mo, maninira sa buhay mo. And also, it is also an authentic remedy for the direction where the annual violent star number 7 flies to. So, every year, kung saan yung number 7 na star, doon mo siya ihang kung anong location. And, Kan hexagram. So, derived from I Ching Magic or the ancient book of changes, 2 Kan trigrams combined to represent big water and hold the key in combating the metal element energy of violence from number 7. Anong dala nun? Accidents. Old style feng shui masters will understand this better. So, yun yung mga accident po. I-prevent niya. So, lahat po ng accident ay kaya niyang i-prevent or mga nakakamatay na pangyayari through yung mga metal na alam niyo na yun. Okay? Yung ginagamit na metal na tingin mo na ikaw po ay madidisgrasya. So, ilalayo ka sa mga sitwasyon na yon. And also, Taoist incantation of removing hardship, poverty, and safety. So, ibig sabihin, meron itong incantation din. Okay? Para ma-remove lahat ng inyong paghihirap, ang pagkasaid, at kayo po ay palaging safety sa lahat ng oras. Pacifies also negativities. So, ito po ay nagle-lessen din sa mga negatibo na darating sa iyong buhay, pati sa loob ng iyong tahanan kung sino nakatira doon. And also, removes all obstacles along your way and helps you cope with difficulties you may encounter in everyday life. I love this one. Super. And meron din siyang mantra of anti-robbery. So, maganda talaga ito sa tindahan din. Consecrates the flock with power. So, kinukonsagrahan ito ng kapangyarihan. Kasi ito po, katulad po ng ang mga sinasaksak dito, lalong-lalong sa likod nito is quantum. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga inside sa volcanic. So, pinaprocess po yun para magbigay ng swerte at protects from negativity. Ang, kung nakahang ito, maano ng hangin. So, ito din po ay kung maanuhan ng isang energy ng tao, yan po ay magdadala siya ng swerte. Alasin niya yung malas and problema. So, it has a powerful Dakini talisman that wards off thieves and robbers. So, hanging for celestial guardians, Kuwens, this one. Ito po. Yan. So, ito po ay our essential remedy for form and landscape feng shui or feng shui. Popularly known, the 4 celestial guardians. Ayan po, Yan po. Yan. Okay? Are the green dragon, white tiger, black swan, wu, and red phoenix. Each guarding 1 cardinal direction, north, east, south, and west. A fundamental requirement, a balance, encourage or balance 1, 2 is the basic that will prepare you towards doing up the feng shui and preparing for all the well-being of the occupant. So maganda rin to pang ihangin sa inyong apartment. Like example, ikaw yung pinaka-main or pinaka-center sa na merong apartment, merong hotel, maganda to para walang problema na magiging counter, o meron kayong pinapaupahan na apartment na na isang house. Maganda din po ito. When all directions are in harmony, it encourages the dragon breath to settle, thus creating an inflow of auspicious energy. They will also look after family safety, prevent dangers, and regulate your career, wealth, health, power, and fame. They are also essentials to correct any external landscape problems and internal missing corners. So, medyo may tulad din siya sa Magic Lotion. Why? Kinukorek niya yung mga mali-mali na feng shui or feng shui sa bahay or mga landscape or yung tinatawag na design. And situations where the magnitude of negative influence becomes overly amplified, we need a substantial amount of power from this special charm to counter such undesirable energy. For example, as we are nearing period 9 or we are in period 9 already, this one has the influence from violent. Star number 7 has turned ugly. Kaya kung feel nyo ngayon parang hindi talaga maganda, hina lahat. Where it had rubbed the world through the spread of yung mga energy hindi maganda. This is also cure, more powerful, simpler to use, and friendlier than the bagwa when it comes to counter-measuring against complicated poison arrows. Alam nyo ba yung poison arrows? Naku, marami po yan. Hindi nyo lang alam. And this one, example po yung G-junctions, corner of buildings, small gaps between tall buildings, trees, building, column. Yan po. So this one, this item po is energy infused and comes with a certificate of authenticity. Pero sa akin lang yun mapupunta mga madon kasi ako yung member. Okay? So, ito po pang rich kid lang. Pang rich people. Pero pag ipunan mo to, naku, hindi ka talaga magsisisi. Super mabisa pa talaga sa lahat ng amulets. Pero kailangan din natin mag-wear ng amulets because we are, hindi naman sa lahat ng bagay na sa ating tahanan tayo or sa ating negosyo. So, where to display this cure? It can be displayed to prevent bad luck from killing chi if your house has a main door or window facing cemeteries, funeral homes, hospitals, convalescent centers, and evil-looking mountains. It can also repel evil spirits and negative energy when hung on your main door. It provides protection to the household, yung mga nakatira sa bahay. Okay? And prevents thief and harmful people. Robbery and accidents when displayed to entrance. So, yun ang kanyang trabaho kung i-display mo siya sa entrance. It can be displayed inside the house in areas or direction where protection against bad evil stars is needed. So, as I said, every year siya magpapalit ng annual violent star number 7. Dun mo siya ihang. Okay? So, hindi siya pang forever dun mo siya display lahat. Every year may flying star. Kaya po siya tinatawag na flying star kasi nagpalit-palit every year. And also, it can display din po inside the house in areas where protection against visible malevolent energy is required. Yung palaging na lang nag-aaway doon or may problema. Display facing the direction of conflict either in your interior. Like example, conflict siya dahil mali yung direction na yan or magkaharap ang kanyang mentor, yung mga ganun ba. And also, kung sa business nyo siya gamitin, display it facing outwards at the main entrance to ensure that your competitors are kept by bay and counterattack their venomous threat. O, yung babagsak ka. And also display. Yan. And also display it in your office to solve political problems in office po. Ito po ay akin ha. Hindi ko po ito binibita. If you want to order po, ay kumuha po kayo ng sariling inyo. Orderan ko kayo kung gusto nyo. Okay? So this one is to ensure that display it in your office to solve political problems in office, backstabbing, paninirang, puri, arguments, and habok from harmful peers. Yung mga katrabaho ninyong tinitreat kayo. So, this one is super, Again, ihang lang po ito sa violet star, which is annual flying star number 7 sa inyong area. Or kung alam niyo mga poison arrows, pwede yan. Pwede siya sa entrance. Kung gusto niyo lang po talaga entrance siya ilagay. Or yung annual violet number 7 star, itong ating turn me shop and to luck or good luck. Massive good luck. This one is infused with great energy with a quantum energy. Super. A screenshot if you want to order. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ayan po. This is mine. So, kung gusto niyo kumuha, get it from me.